Hey, what's up, guys? Orlando from Wildflower Leather. So let's go over some of the orders that are done and that we're shipping out today. Let's start off with one of my favorite pieces. This is the the Half Dome Field Notes book cover, etched with our topo design on the outside. The customer on this one, they ordered it without a pen loop, which would go here. It's a leather pen loop. They asked for beige thread, so you have your two card pockets here, your big large stash pocket here, and then this is where your Field Notebooks cover will go. It also does fit a standard passport, so this could also act as a passport wallet while you're on the go and traveling. Dyed burnished edges, and yeah, Buck Brown, it has to be one of my favorite leathers out there from Wickett and Craig. All right, you still got to break it in. Moving on, we have a Lone Pine and two-tone color. The customer on this one, they did ask to engrave it right here. It's engraved with their initials. Quick little story: they actually saw our YouTube video on this, and they wanted one. They wanted us to make one just like it. So two-tone color. We have black and brown with some black thread. It's a very minimal wallet. You got one pocket out here, another one in the back, and then one in the center. You can put cash in here, fold it in thirds. And then this has a dyed black edge. All right, moving on to our newest and most popular EDC item. This is our Tunnel Rock flashlight slip. So it can hold like a medium-sized knife. This one has the pen loop, so your pen would go here, and then you have your flashlight loop right there. This is in all black. So our black and our olive, I don't have olive one here. They come in a matte color, but as it patinas, it does start to get that glossy finish. So they really do become a beautiful piece. On this next order, the customer ordered two pieces. This is also black, but this is our bear slip. They also asked for it to be personalized with their initials, black thread. It's a very minimal slip for the tactile bear slip joint. Very, very minimal, but very nice to keep your slip joint in. In addition to that, they also did order a Tunnel Rock slip in brown. They also asked this piece to be personalized as well, JCH. But same deal, your medium-sized knife, your pen, and then your flashlight. And then these are hand burnished, as you can see. Cool. And then our last piece that we're shipping out today is a Carry What Matters camera strap. These are with the Peak Design anchor clips. But this has our logo stamped across the whole strap. This one's in 40 inches. Very nice to carry, very small to medium camera. You can carry a full-size camera as well, like a Canon R5 Mark II, R5, R6, down to a Fujifilm, X100 if you like. Very minimal, and I think what people love, and of course what I love, is the logo placement, which is at random on the strap. And this is in Buck Brown as well. Yeah. Well, let me go ahead and get these packaged up and sent on their way home. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.